Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a review on the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Restructuring Spray Mask 10 Actions Leave-In from Fanola. Just going to shake that up. Styler, I've decided to use my Dyson to give it a little more volume because I don't have much at the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just flip my head and blow dry it probably about 85%, and then I'm going to run through with the Revlon Blowdryer. I'm going to do some sectioning. And the pre-drying will help the blow dryer dry faster. I don't want to put too much heat on my hair, so this will just accelerate the process. So there's a couple settings. So you have off, cool, low, and high. I'm going to use the high to get the maximum dryness. First thing I noticed, it's pretty loud. I don't know if it's because I'm in the bathroom, it's just echoing, but I mean, it is a blow dryer anyways, right? Next section. Wow, so fast. Okay. That was so fast. This looks so good. That's amazing. Huh. Yeah, so this thing definitely works. I'm super happy with it. I did this in less than 10 minutes, which is amazing. So the styler looks like this. It has a flat surface here, and then it's a bit narrow here. And it kind of works because it'll distribute the heat very evenly around the hair, no matter how long your hair is. The thing I love is this little nozzle here. It's definitely going to help you control your blow dry all the way through the hair. Make sure you use a good heat protectant before because it does get a little bit hot. Other than that, my #1 recommendation would be to pre-dry it first so that the process is a little faster. I highly recommend this product. It was only $50 or something on Amazon. Totally worth it. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.